Good morning, students. Now see page number 28. Page number 28. Think and answer in your own words. Okay. Let's discuss. See what could be the age group of the speaker in the poem. Actually 7 to 8 years of age. Okay. The age group of the speaker is 7 to 8 of age. Clear? Next, what is the difference between a hawker and a shopkeeper? Hawker is a vendor selling goods on the road, okay, or on the roadside, sometimes wandering from one place to another. A shopkeeper has a fixed place to sell his goods inside his own shop. That okay, difference between shopkeeper and hawker. Next, how do parents react when they see children soil their clothes in dust and heat? How? When the parents see children soil their clothes in just dust and heat, they scold and try to correct them. They scold and try to correct them. Okay, see the question first, then you write only answer what? They scold and try to correct them. Next question. Why is the street light compared to a one red-eyed giant? The street light is as tall as a giant and its light is like the red eye of the giant. So, okay, next, what exactly does the speaker in the poem crave for? The speaker in the poem is longing for freedom without authority. Okay, he is longing for freedom without authority. Okay, next, does the poet really wish to become a hawker, gardener or watchman? Justify your response. That write your own answer. According to me, I don't think so. He is just longing for freedom without knowing the difficulties he can face. Okay, according to me. You write your own answer. Now see, next question. Question number 4. Say why the speaker of the poem wishes to be a hawker, gardener and watchman. Okay, hawker, why? When the child looks at the hawker, he wishes he could also spend his day on the road crying bangles, crystal bangles. He feels that there is nothing to hurry the hawker on. There is no road he must take, no place he must go, no fixed time when he must come home. These are things that he cannot do himself and therefore he wants to be a hawker. Okay, next, gardener. When he looks at the gardener, he wishes he was a gardener because a gardener does what he likes with his spade. He soils his clothes with dirt. Nobody scolds him even if he gets baked in the sun or gets wet. Nobody would stop him from digging. That's why he wants to become gardener. Okay. Next, watchman. Okay. When he sees the watchman, he wants to be like the watchman so that he could walk through dark and lonely streets all night with his lantern and chase shadows. He sees the watchman is not put to bed like him and is allowed to roam outside freely in the dark. Okay. Now, next question, see. Next question here given. Pick out lines that contain alliteration, simile, repetition, onomatopoeia. Okay, alliteration, actually I can see through the gate, that house, the gardener digging the ground, that second stanza there, that alliteration. Okay, and nobody takes him to task, here also letter T repeated, that I can see through my open window the watchman walking up and down, that also alliteration. And similarly I already explained, repetition also, bangles, crystal bangles, and no road he must take, no place he must go, no time when he must come home, here word no repeated. Okay, so repetition. Onomatopoeia, first line, when the gong sounds 10 in the morning. Antithesis, and the watchman walking up and down, that here up and down, two opposite words. Okay, you can see in the same sentence. So antithesis, that also I explained. Personification also I explained. Okay, this is all homework till here. Question number 6, it's about rhyme scheme. Actually Rabindranath Tagore's poem
vocation is written in a free verse. It is an open form of a poem. It does not have a regular rhythm or musical pattern. Okay. Now see one more question here given. See, now turn the pages of your textbook and see if you can find other poems in free verse. Okay, that is your homework. You turn the pages of your textbook and search other poem written in free verse. Okay, and next question, see question number 7. Question number 7. Okay. Actually this is writing skill. Okay, verbal to non-verbal. Actually verbal form means full information not given here. Actually this one non-verbal form, point wise you have to write. This is also called fact file. Okay, this fact file type, this question. Okay, first given, see name of the profession means which profession you like in future. Okay, like to take up in future. First you name of the profession you write. I don't know which profession you like to select in future. And education qualification, that also I don't know. Work profile, I don't know, that all. Okay, it depends you, your future. Would you like to take up in future, which business or profession, that. Okay, that is your homework. And this one also homework. One poem given, see paper board poem given in short, easy language, simple language. You have to write it in short. Okay, see here full poem given. Actually you reduce, okay, and write summary short, make it short. Day after day a boy makes a paper boards, write his name in big black letters and the name the village is from on it, and floats the down a stream with the hope that someone in some strange land will find them and know who the boy is. The child has a deep sense of love. He wishes to present the unknown friend with valuable gifts, so he loads his boards with flowers from his garden. Actually here mentioned Shivli flower. Shivli flower means Parijat flower. Okay, Krishna likes this flower. Okay, he hopes that the boats will carry the flowers safely to the distant land at night. He imagines that he has a friend in the sky. He is thinking that the other child sends white clouds down the air to compete with his boats. At night he dreams in his sleep. He dreams about his paper boats. In his dream he is happy to know that fairies and angels are sailing on his boats. Okay, you write, this is your homework. Okay, question number 6, 7, 8 homework. Okay, and you complete your notes, whatever I had given, write it in CW. Okay, all textual question you have to write. Okay, now unit 2 2.1 also completed. Thank you.